Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize foreign withholding forms for international. To authorize foreign withholding forms for international dividends, begin by gathering all necessary documents. Identify the specific foreign withholding form required for your country of residence. Access the official website of the taxation authority in your jurisdiction for guidance. Download the appropriate form from the website. Fill out the personal information section accurately, including your name and tax identification number. Review the details of the dividend payments you have received or expect to receive. If applicable, consult your broker or financial advisor for any additional information required on the form. Confirm whether you need to provide proof of residency or citizenship. Attach any supporting documents, such as dividend statements or tax identification numbers from foreign entities. Double-check all entries to ensure accuracy and completeness. Sign the form in the designated area to authenticate your information. Mail the completed form and any supporting documents to the address specified by the taxation authority. Keep a copy of the submitted form and documents for your records. Follow up with the relevant authority after a few weeks to confirm receipt and processing of your authorization. Once approved, note the withholding tax rates applicable to your dividends. Adjust your financial records accordingly based on the approved withholding information. Stay informed about any changes to tax laws that may affect your international dividends in the future. Maintain communication with your financial advisor for ongoing compliance and updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.